Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Stay strong, keep working. Lower body, functional strength. I really like to share some knowledge and personal experience what helps me during many years of practice. So let's work out, let's warm up first and then move step by step, nice and easy. First, leg square, we will just raise our heels off the ground, nice and easy, 10 times. Inhale. Here we go, let's work. 2, 3, nice and easy. 4, go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then hold 10 seconds here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then down. Release. Next one, very helpful for your knees. Leg square, you bend your knees a little bit forward, right? Keep your lower back straight. This move is suitable for beginners as well. Look forward. Then from here, we'll start raising only one leg. Keep the left one very stable and just push outside only one leg. Nice and easy. We'll do 10 times on each side. Feel the left leg very stable. Push your knee out. Let's work. Inhale. Here we go, 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Switch one. We go working on the left. Here we go. 1, 2, feel stable right on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Good one, release. If you cannot do it properly by yourself, you can put your arms closer to the wall and do same thing. So you bend your knees, put your arms towards the wall, and you do the same thing. Same with the first move I just did. Place your arms on the wall and just do heel raises. It will also be helpful for you. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, here we go. Then next one will be from here we push on the left foot first, right is fully straight. Then we drive our knee forward, open our right leg towards the side, and we back. Drive forward and we back. Same thing you can do with your arms placed on the wall, and we back. The most important thing, take care about your knees. Your knees you should push all the time out, not in. And feel strong. Try to not raise your heels off the ground. Here we go, 10 times left, 10 times right. Inhale. First, push the left, feel all the body on the left side, and then you drive forward and side. Exhale, here we go. Slowly. 2, 3, warm up your knees. 4, 5, good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. And back. Inhale. Exhale. Here we go. Push from your right, feel stable, and then work on the left. Work with your right and left open towards the side. Drive your knee forward. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Keep working. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, good job. 8, 9, one more, 10, and back. Good, release. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Next one will be, you can do the same with your arms on the wall, but I will show you without. Pay attention, this is something more challenging maybe, but it is very helpful. I will show you first, face to you and then side. First, you bend your right leg, drive it forward, then you open towards the side. Then you drive your hips back, you bend your knees, keep holding this leg. And then your right leg goes fully down. And then it opens towards the side, push the left up and then forward. And then down, and then switch. Left up, open towards the side, hips drives back, knees drive forward, leg stable, back, push, and back. This is like challenging move, but if you do it step by step, you'll be able to. If you cannot do it properly, you can put first your arms on the wall and do it with the wall first. Just take care, don't be too far away from the wall and don't lie down too much on the wall. Let's look from the side first and we'll start practicing this. I will show you left first, left up, then you open towards the side, then you drive hips back, knees forward, then you close your left leg, and then you open, then you open your leg straight, forward and back. And then right side, same thing, up, open towards the side, drive forward, keep holding your right side, back, close, open again, up and forward and back. Nice one. So we'll do slowly 10 times on each leg, left, right, so totally 20. Here we go, inhale first, starting from the right up, left bend. Let's work. 1, up, slowly, towards the side, forward, open, up, close. 2, 3, nice and easy work. 4, keep your knees stable. 5, go ahead. 6, 7, nice one, easy. 8, 'With the wall it will be much easier. 9, 10, 'Here we go, 10 more. Up, 1, open, down, close. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, keep moving. 7, 8, breathe normally. 9, 10, left. Good, and release. Nice one. You almost feel everywhere. You feel your butt, you feel your legs, hamstrings, everything works here. Very stable, core as well. Very useful exercise. I'm telling you again, if you're afraid to be injured, and actually I don't recommend you to be injured, so you can do all this that I'm doing without wall, with the wall. It will be very helpful. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Next one we'll do squats, but with our heels off the ground. So we raise our squat off the ground. And then from here, knees moves out, right? We move our knees outside and we squat down. And we back up. Keep your heels off the ground. And again, down and up. Down and up. Here we go. Let's do 10 times. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. 1 and back up. 2 and back up. Nice and easy. 3 and back up. 4 and back up. 5. You can do it with the wall, same. 6, Good. 7. Keep working. 8, 9. One more. 10. And back. Good one. Inhale first. Exhale, breath. One more inhale. Exhale, breath. Okay, we'll do one more set of this and we keep going. Next time I'll do, second time I'll do face to you. So we raise our heels off the ground and let's start working 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, here we go. 1, push up, heel off the ground. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, keep working. 6, 7, awesome. 8, 9, one more. 10, and back. Good one, that's it. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay, one more very helpful exercise for your knees. Plank position. You drop your arms, knees on the ground. Then from here, rotate your pelvis up. You raise your right leg off the ground a little bit. You are not touching with your right leg. And then from here, we just flex back and bend. Flex back and bend. Try to keep it more stable. Try to push with your knee towards the left side, okay? Here we go. We'll do 10 times on each leg, starting from the left. Arms on the ground, rotate your pelvis, engage your core lower back, raise your knees off the ground, raise your right leg off the ground. And right now, on your left works, push, 1 back, 2, go ahead, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch, right leg on the ground. Inhale first. Raise your lap. Exhale, working only right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Good. Release, rest a little bit. Inhale first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Here we go. We do one more set of this. Legs and knees on the ground. We raise our left arm, or left leg, sorry. Rotate your pelvis, raise your legs first, raise your right leg off the ground, and we start working with the left. 10 times. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we switch. Raise your left, rotate your pelvis, engage your core, and we work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back and stand up. Nice one. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Sorry for the mic. My previous one with headphones was broken, so I'm using this temporary until I'll receive the new one. So if sometimes my sound sounds bad, I'm sorry, apologize about this. Try to solve it as fast as possible. Here we go. Next one will be nice and easy one, but if you can do it. If you cannot, also, I'm telling you again, just keep. Raise your knees off the ground. Then from here, we will fall forward with the heel off the ground and we back up. We fall forward and we back up. If you can do, like, again, if you want to try it, but you cannot do it properly, you can put a stick or you can place 2 sticks in front of you, or you can hold the wall like somehow, and you can do with the wall. But take care to not move too much towards each side, like this will be not so efficient. So let's do 10 times, 5 on each leg. Raise your heels off the ground, engage your pelvis core, then you fall forward, keep your heels off the ground, and you back up. Again, your heel is off the ground. Okay, here we go. Inhale first. Exhale, let's work. Starting from the right leg forward, 10 times. And back. 2, and back. 3, and back. 4, and back. 5. Go ahead. 6. Awesome. 7. 8. 9. 10. And release. Good one. Inhale. Exhale first. One more set of this, and we are moving towards the end of the class. Raise. Here we go. Now, second time we start from the left one first. Here we go. Left first. 1. Heels off the ground. 2. 3. Your knees is pushing out. Pushing out. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good one. Okay. Let's stretch a little bit. Right leg forward, left leg, left knee on the ground. Place your palms in front of you and just stretch a couple of seconds. Feel that stretch on the left side. You can relax this way also. Just nice and easy. Try to not stretch too much. Let's say once a week is enough. If your body is very soft, it's also not so good for your daily life. We need to be strong. Softness is important, but like mobility, flexibility is important, but not so too soft is bad. Switch. Plank position, left leg forward, knees on the ground, palms on the ground, just hold. Flex a little bit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep holding more a little bit. I was talking to the right side more, so let's hold. Okay, switch. Plank position, right leg forward. Then from here, with your right arm, just grab your left toe, stretch your quadriceps a little bit. Go with 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right knee on the ground. You grab with your left foot, flex. 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Good one. Nice and easy one for today. Take care of yourself. I hope you find them useful. I hope you find them helpful for you. Comment, subscribe, suggest. I'm always welcome. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Peace.